We inherited a problem of no unique national identification system. This has been with us since independence. We have implemented the national identification system of the Ghana card. And we have today 16 million Ghanaians with unique identities. And that is a major transformation. And maybe a lot of people sometimes don't even appreciate what the impact of the Ghana card is. But if you gave me 1,000 interchanges and a Ghana card, I'll choose the Ghana card because it has more impact. With the Ghana card, access to student loans today is without the need for a guarantor. You first needed a guarantor to give you a student loan. But with digitalization and the implementation of it, we now can access student loans without the need for a guarantor.
Are you now suggesting to us, the same person who told us that we will construct concrete roads, Dr. Bawumia, the same person who told us that we'll start asphalt and bitumen roads and construct concrete roads, and I've been asking you where the concrete roads you promised us are. The same person who told us that we would have to use interchanges and we'll have to get them so that the economy will move at a certain speed. Now is telling us that one Ghana card like this, is worth or better than 1,000 interchanges.
Is it not this Bawumia who came to tell us that when the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate exposes you? Once the time now the fundamentals get weak in their economy, no? What's that by say? When the fundamentals are weak, doesn't mean so and that. Hey, Bawumia, are you not tired of lying to Ghanaians? Our president, vicely you are. Are you not tired? Who is letting you to do this poster game? Ghana and some now I just catch me say hey Ghana yet some so because in some year to subi but me person who say we are not doing politics whenever we come here. We are here to let the government sit on their toes. We are watchdogs to the what? To the government. Intina me jina me mbo MPP no mbo NDC the omoko opposition no. Intina from opposition party. MPP are buying a work power. They are responsible for our day-to-day activities of the nation. Menam Abe 14 times so and rap with a conference your vice president Dr. Bawumia Ekafa Ghana card. No. Or say I will choose the Ghana card over 1,000 interchange. He is going to choose Ghana card over 1,000 interchange. Ghana, it that's insane. Any he will choose one Ghana card over 1,000 interchange. Yes, let's say the fact. Data collection for Ghana, it is good to collect data in this country. Say the maker what you are saying. It is good to collect data, but are you telling me that interchange are not good? The road that we established is not good for Ghanaians? Is that what our vice president is telling us? And I am paying for it. They want to do political talk. No, omo can you omo pay. Bawumia, who keep you? Bawumia, who chirep you? Are you not just ashamed sometimes? Are you not feeling some faith of remorse for yourself of the things that you've been saying to Ghanaians? That you choose one Ghana card over 1,000 interchange. Ask me and ask yourself, how many interchange has this government, our president, our state, current government has established for this past 6 years they have been in power? How many interchange and no my day almost interchange saying a ya commission apart from the one Mahama this got to the past government so mukromu this gani bio enu die me no ye nim omuko commission sanka interchange sunim faswa anka Mahama or I will say the past administration Before we come, near discard water, ya commission that. But your government even for us to feel so they will send another the minister. Say another minister appointee so almost commission the focus interchange. Now Ghana phone say there is a development going on. Now nyebia me bisa Ghana card na ya yen. Ubia na wo Ghana card. People are still paying 250 Ghana cedis. Yet they have not even received their Ghana card. This Ghana card get omo mo free ndom ho yam mobo. Na do mu twampo e se they need Ghana card. So are you telling me are you telling me that you will also choose Ghana card? At the ye ni Ghana card, are you not a Ghanaian? Ye ni Ghana card no. Is the data collection so difficult? But the current situation ye won wo Ghana hano. Do we need data collection with what is going on? In the morning, if you talk a crack, na Kaneshi first light, I am a. Hey! I am a boy. If you gem petit a crack, Kaneshi first light, I am a. The government is not taking the responsibility or the action, say. The drainage system on, and you quite know the drainage system. You fa a quite and two. Need to me as a be drainage now because ye be other drainages. So that say because make I say N1 highway to La Paz no. Ye were one drainage system bridge gutter a dim effort free pipe down hold. So what I say, but first and shut down your man conco for fear. But N1 highway no, ye connecting you no. Emani na have the connection say be koye den e be fast bridge gap and it with some time no I feel na nsuo yeri wo omo ben sa bridge gap and nchen no. So the people at the free pipe down hall they are witness to it. So that say it be a connection on no be bi omo no nsuo na etono e bia other drainage systems are there yesisi any ball and comfort to and what drainage mwesi. So we have to look way forward to open one. Oh catch them say our government, our vice president has become a poster boy. He talks and it becomes news. He is even now becoming like a celebrity to Ghanaians. He talks and tell me say Ghana card is better than interchange. Ghana card is better than roads. I am sorry for Ghanaians. I am very sorry for Ghanaians. You should be sorry for yourself even being a Ghanaian because of what is going on. Our vice president, this is not a sound of disrespect. Sometimes when you gather up yourself to come and talk to us, don't think Ghanaians, excuse to say, are stupid. We will never be stupid, and we are not stupid. We gave you power to do things for us. Now, my catcher will say, you need roofing and a soya sunny. Your number never was your say, Otia brochure, baby, who will be a issue neton and say, and from my air body, one mark painter, no, I'm fat, chasing papa and Buswa. What I need be true. It need roof is a from they will do a good job for you. They will do the best thing for you. Until not them and green roofing. Ghana you will not sit down and still think about roofing. I'm telling you. And I make actual say, and the name is still Limo Elikam Kwame. I'm a guy. Now when you me perceive a supposed video be a change. That our father Johnny's bite. Comment all can about what Bawumia has been saying before. And some of the say Ghana card is better than interchange. I yourself said Bawumia can be chire. Now when to me for failure, then he turn around and come and make excuse over it.
Are you now suggesting to us the same person who told us that we will construct concrete roads, Dr. Bawumia? The same person who told us that we'll start asphalt and bitumen roads and construct concrete roads, and I've been asking you where the concrete roads you promised us are. The same person who told us that we would have to use interchanges and we'll have to get them so that the economy will move at a certain speed. Now it's telling us that one Ghana card like this, kake kobe, bako, is worth or better than 1,000 interchanges. Hey, bossu, today is Friday. When you go to the mosque, I beg you, maybe you should ask for forgiveness. One Ghana card is worth more than 1,000 interchanges. Why? Can the Ghana card stop traffic? Can the Ghana card take people up and down? And we have not even started benefiting from this thing fully. There are people who are still queuing for their Ghana card. There are people who have paid their 250 and they are still queuing for their Ghana card. There are people who are joining queues and then they are told that, well, we are counted up to a certain number, so go and come back. Man hours are being wasted for the same Ghana card. We have not finished operationalizing it. People are not able to access their bank accounts because they have no Ghana card.
What you just saw, this is the same vice president. And we are not Ghana for you. And you are brain, they catch him say Ghana card, no. And we young for now. He made an excuse that they are finding a way to create asphalt or concrete roads. Maybe Jina and cancer from Diago. You pay your concrete roads. But when this man, he should be disappointed in himself. God, he is a Muslim. Allah is very disappointed in this man. The Muslim community are just disappointed in this man. Whether what they taught him, he really follow Islamic religion. Because so to me, Tina can't say, and you only Prophet Muhammad will be kappa. Because this man can lie. He is a pathetic liar. And he doesn't feel remorse for it. No, I can't try. This was the same person who told me and you that they are putting plans in place to make the economy grow so that they will create concrete roads and interchanges. Now that it is not going being there. The Bible catch almost say, where are the roads and the interchanges? Or say he will choose one Ghana card over 1,000 interchanges. But I don't blame him. Going to the past government, I am not here to campaign for you to go and vote for Mahama, thinking he was good. Yes, he did his best. But also, Sankao Yenya 4 ministers in the time of Mahama. They thought they were breaking the aid. As what this government is thinking. He will not have let him confirm to fly. Big excuses that past government also gave us. They pay you for me doing so almost the RPA. It's say you pray the past government. We got tired of the past government. As we got tired of them, that is why we bring these people into power. But these people, they are the cockroaches of evil deeds. When you obey when you physically, you punish you. Wow to me, as you obey to me. Now I bet Gina was not chill your way. That is what this government is doing to us. We are suffering. Send your man, this government told us when they needed power. Tell us, say, we are suffering. Now it is true, we are really suffering. We are really suffering. Is it not this Bawumia who came to tell us that when the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate exposes you? Once the time now the fundamentals get weak in their economy, no? What's that by say? When the fundamentals are weak, doesn't mean so and that. Hey, Bawumia, are you not tired of lying to Ghanaians? Our president, vicely you are. Are you not tired? Who is letting you to do this poster game? I think this thing, it is supposed to be coming from the MPP communicators. Now you don't stand in just for MPP. You stand in for Ghanaians. You stand in for us. We are begging you. We are not saying the Ghana card is bad, but you don't chase that statement to us. It is never good. It is not. The political talk is getting too much. And even your party people are even getting tired of it. The political talk is getting too much. Now, me say you won't say what to say down. Sir, demonstration recently opposition party may lead here. Now you know. Man now you did rubber bullet bone, you know. It is confirmed. Send the right eye. Ifra, he's blind. To me, person me catch it all say. Say who now to Ghana. Now say who be the politicians yechi. Now what come demonstration a best say wow life but I don't blame this. Say we don't have policemen and who think say who should also think say when we are demonstrating, we are not demonstrating because Ghana yet and yem penny puntu. All those people who went and no blame any NDC knew they were feeling bitterness in them. Though yes, 80% will be NDC. But we met people who voted for this party, this current government, that they are disappointed. Now this man is blind because of what? Say, standing for this nation. But I will always say, and I will never deny it, say, Ghana is not worth dying for. If Ghana is worth dying for, the legacy Kwame Nkrumah established, the industries he opened for us, they will not be here in these situations. One time I was watching GTV and one historian made a comment that the basics that are on our money, apart from Kwame Nkrumah, the rest, what is the development they have made for Ghana? Then when it is time, we celebrate these people. Apart from Kwame Nkrumah, what do? They even wanted self-government in a due time. But Kwame Nkrumah proclaimed that we need this self-government now. Ghana for sorry. Say one person when you be flat, say Papa we are. When campaign is going on, think twice. Let my pay for yes, sorry, but not in a way of violence, because you will end your own life. Papa your ma, who train the age, if you are a ma in real school, if you power SS, if you move quite well, but then the near friend. Apart from a try actually, or the K, Equacoma, the yelling and ma. Very pathetic, very sad. What kind of country are we in? It's Yetinasia. Ube to make a Ghana the found home. But check over the night found home. But that's what made me to my. But when you Ghana card, yes, the 250 and some wine in a Ghana card. Road now be first walk to man. And found one. Driver name call, now an accident. No one say or mine, no matter what it is, a found. Yes, say comfy bonnie or bet in a crew. I'm a crooner boy. Say, who's what to be. It is our west now, you to near now. Oh, maybe a major man and win here, maybe a say and win here. Yanya M1 highway now. Go back to mine fast time, I calculate time, I will be free. It be a Madina. I'm then Tabas Yakokaswa. No. Let the country be a concern to you. But men found who is shown politically. Because I say in a woman. Let me go what you say. Send the air titty ponsen in a movie. And come for air clan no beton. Now, dear, you won't say. You did not first say, or person with them, or young create employment for themselves. On by entrepreneurship business, no. Osaka Porter, and you man I can dollar and the equine cost. Bawumia, estate rent in Xposed, no. Because you choose Ghana card. Ghanaians, it's a movie to be sound. Now, Mr. McCatcher say, I will make two for many protests and answer be a name. Protest and from Cosibia, because I'm telling you, say, Sammy Jenfi, I could let me go here more village. I'm saying, also, Sammy Jenfi to village. So, I'm not to village, I'll be sound. What you what your Lord you got at it? What the Kasua and running now confirm and you confess about no, I be doing me to say, we protest. Be wise. Don't let a politician lead you for a protest. A bear mom protest. Now, my man is siren too. because enye mu dede na ye be ye no and the bema Ghana be ye. That is your power. There is laws in this country, and I'm telling you. And me fancy you. Esa nenam. Ene Bawumia sama be o. Enye mi o. Nsema ne nenam. Ti se me gina na me ka kire wa. Enye mi eye nsema Bawumia ko atwe ne ho kakra be sometime. Opesa Ghana for certain nka is blaming the past government, Mohammed's administration. It's so funny that the economic woes we are in, he is the cause of it. Hey, Bawumia, Mr. Blame Game. Abrabo krase nipa wo bobra. Na omo nim de. And we say, oh, you'll be a putting blames on people. You don't even move forward in life. You remain stuck. In the end, once again, you're stuck. Bawumia, we are asking you. If the economic woes we are going through is caused by the past government, I am begging you, Bawumia. Please. And what did you do about it? Did we vote for you because come and continue Mohammed's economic woes? We vote for you that you are coming to change things. The 8th, Chemaun to me has broke his own. We're breaking the 8th, you know. It is a say, Yankasa, you know. Or say Ghana for breaking it. So will you break the 8th with these blame games? The woes that we are in. Okay, we bet you my heart to burn home. And the way you talk to the people, some will give you the chance. So if you want to break the 8th, my government, is this what you are going to do? My president, breaking the 8th with blame games will not help you. Breaking the 8th. Bawumia, the nurses were complaining about allowance. That is why they put the past government away and voted for you. Now these same nurses are complaining. So what's your video? The person who might show video be and nurse all complaining about how she has to sleep with other men in order to survive. Now, men can't show the nurse is equal that there was some perception be about them. No, almost a near Juma. Sexually, there was perception be about nurses. No, almost a near Juma. And they are fed here. Sabra, when I feel on my body more. So, always that is a body. It's only ancient people in mind. That's it.
Oh, she me fin hono. Me do a few days no say.
Lydia.
But also Lydia. Okay. Mo ya na mo survive.
Asam na wa boss say. Me dem adan say prostitution a shawo. Hey. Me kwa ha na makoha. Yes, I won't. Me ma so te said. Minni ma me na minni papa. Onuya abrabo na yeti amai. Ye bre e wo mai mu. Dance na me go school 3 years. Me ni misana na do ye bi wa ma allowance. Ayemma. Ba mi bisa say ye on fire no. Na allowance e wo ha na ni ho. Me koye. For yata. Currency time. I want to say. Yeah, 800 Ghana cedis. Me ana me feed me ho. Ana me di we school. Manya receipt, my show my pass it. Results about my starting service. Na pay for scaben on this year. My yen na wi. Oh, sorry. Na my wi enso na nka mama adwuma. Eno nso nka me twin enkran kwan da bia. Let me person be some say me ba kra me nya refer wa yifa na de bai. Onua. Sorry. And answer be ma be scan. I just say blood no what dance wa maska.
Now the again can you dear what she has to do to survive even as a nurse. Now how much more kolana omwe SF no want to man to us in TNE Ghana girls see men as their financial institution. If you don't know, the Ghana girls are now seeing men as financial institution. And I say, "Be me be a girlfriend ah." Madani eja, madani obani mame. But then the financial supporter. I don't blame the girls. To me, I use this statement. Ghanaian girls, they are not gold diggers. A car gold digger, the United States. A car gold digger, it is the European world. Now, when you gold diggers, they need comfort. They are not getting it. How many completes SHS and goes to the tertiary? Now, Joma ko tertiary, you know. Same and then you Joma. You pale, no man di go sa. Na masati bio me kan shem. Na me kan shem ansa na meka no. Me pese me ma omu se. Ejumel ko omo so ya se eye neat roofing. Neat roofing say o pese wo bo wo chance nso. E ba dance ye wo chance nso dia. Owo homa. Wo be ye what is good for you. Wo be hu chance na wakoma to ye. Enye chance ye be bo ma ade be chine so apa o. Now I said 1 year, one can say 2 years. I feel in the year, after feeling the bay 10 years. No. Need to say obey Juma Pam or better quality staffs or good workers who go on who almost draw a chance and so to my make can say who go on your chance. So as I say, from number from need roofing. I dance for a downfall and I make catch on. But when him assembly soon teachers on more strike. And Kolani be will fear. They say they have cut off strike because now negotiation course no. Say a bim work it out. They say you cannot go on strike. Wow. Yeah. You better accept your conditions. You have to cut off the strike. The teachers for and yeah, tell you so much cut off strike. Only and I'm hints and then I'm seeing people say if you don't know, other institutions wants to go on strike. Me tete say cost of living allowance your friend Kola say you Kola not today having him and you see cost of living allowance doctors for Sumukobi other public civil servant institution want to also go for the strike. If the teachers here can't strike say omo way is implemented and I am meeting on negotiations now. I'm telling you sir 20%. Other institutions will come for their also cost of living allowance. Ghana, ebeye tame, ebeye pinso. It is strike Canadian. And 1 week be no market off. They will still go on strike because when the government needs their negotiation, I am telling you, they will still go on strike again. Limueli kem kwame amegami dino no ubeti my friend the preacher of life. I had a missing catch up in preach you but me ba me principles in same actually on Xposed GH. That me person me catch on say subscribe it, share channel. Now one may be empty in summer air cost. You share crassy be on TV being fair. Baby or share money near own who the air cost or Ghana. As a mere do so near can't and summer won't say they can't say the air. We are here for you to Xposed GH. We say no Ghana and beyond. Now me fence you know, me catch that will say, no we need that Ghana and somebody yet in some so yet meet na some so sa de biarada. I will say sorry. Now somebody be free to make me can't say my boomfu. Me cannot witness now what who dream looking at the bright person how this nation has to go. Yeah, send me a Xposed GH no. My subscription here the and one notification bell and war. It ye nya dia sem ne bra ope. Na wo hwe na wo seli mo ele ke ma kwame amaga meni a break na me chenchen se wan den e dia kire o. Benia e be se hia da sende. E mo be mo Ghana e be yi. E tin sem so die nsem yi na so e be free o. Onyodo for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na edan e na wasie wie e na wo penchensen papa e de aboso anadan a wutimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansi aje womo atum ni true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda